how to download communities on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download communities on Facebook mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just go down until you find this one, download your information, and then click this one, this selects all, and here just go down until you find this one, communities, click on it and then go down and click create file, and after you click on it just wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.